was glowing in midnight blue, 1,000 voices calling my name. Every screen knew more about me than the quiet inside my heart could explain. I smiled for the world, learned how to stay busy, learned how to answer before I could feel. But somewhere between the noise and the scrolling, I forgot what silence used to heal. So I turned my phone face down on the table, like laying down a war I didn't choose. For the first time in a long time, I listened to what I always knew. I didn't disappear, I just came back to me. Stopped replying to the world for a while. I wasn't lost, I was learning how to breathe without chasing a smile. Let them wait, let them wonder. I needed space to feel my name. I didn't stop loving people, I just stopped answering the pain. I walk through streets that never sleep, faces passing like falling rain. Everyone rushing somewhere important, while I stood still inside the frame. Time moved fast for everyone else, but slowed down when I closed my eyes. I realized I don't owe my presence to every moment asking me to survive.